RC helicopters have captured the imagination of hobbyists, kids, and adults alike. With advances in technology, modern models offer enhanced stability, durability, and realistic flight controls. The growing demand stems from both recreational enthusiasts and those seeking educational toys that improve hand-eye coordination.
List number 1. Cheerwing S107. The Cheerwing S107G Phantom 3CH is a standout mini RC helicopter, perfect for beginners and casual flyers. Compact and lightweight, this 3.5-channel helicopter features precise controls for forward, backward, and side-to-side flight. Its lightweight, low frame enhances durability, allowing it to withstand minor crashes without compromising performance. The helicopter includes a built-in gyro stabilization system, which improves flight stability and ease of control. This feature is particularly useful for first-time pilots, as it minimizes erratic movements and keeps the helicopter balanced during maneuvers. Battery life is sufficient for several minutes of continuous flight, and the USB charging system ensures convenience and safety. Its small size makes it suitable for indoor flying, while the responsive 3-channel control provides a realistic flight experience. While not designed for outdoor use in windy conditions, the Cheerwing S107G excels as a starter helicopter. Overall, it combines affordability, durability, and ease of use, making it a reliable option for both kids and adults.
List number 2. Ghoul RC C186 Remote Control Helicopter. The Ghoul RC C186 is a versatile RC helicopter designed for both beginners and intermediate pilots. This 4-channel model provides precise movement in all directions, including lateral shifts and hovering capabilities, enhancing the overall flying experience. Its lightweight yet sturdy frame ensures durability during minor collisions. The C186 features an upgraded gyroscope stabilization system that guarantees smooth flight and better maneuverability. The helicopter's rechargeable battery offers ample flight time for repeated practice sessions, while the USB charging function makes recharging simple and convenient. Its remote control has intuitive button layouts for responsive and easy handling. With a compact design suitable for indoor flying, the Ghoul RC C186 also performs well in mild outdoor conditions. Its combination of affordable price, ease of control, and durable design makes it an excellent choice for families and hobbyists. Whether you're looking to introduce a child to RC flying or enjoy a casual adult hobby, this helicopter delivers reliable performance with minimal learning curve.
List number 3. Botzilla RC Helicopter, Remote Control Helicopter for Kids and Adults. The Botzilla RC Helicopter is a versatile model suitable for both kids and adult hobbyists. It features 3.5-channel flight controls, allowing for forward, backward, and side-to-side movement, providing a responsive and fun flying experience. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for indoor flights. Durability is a key highlight, thanks to its reinforced aluminum frame, which protects the helicopter during crashes or rough landings. The built-in gyroscopic stabilization system ensures smooth flights and reduces the risk of tipping, making it easier for beginners to master. Additionally, the USB charging system provides convenience, allowing quick recharges between flights. The helicopter also boasts bright LED lights, adding a visual element that enhances fun during low-light conditions. With responsive remote control, stable flight, and robust construction, the Botzilla RC helicopter offers great value for its price. It's an ideal choice for families, beginner pilots, and casual hobbyists seeking a safe, enjoyable, and reliable RC helicopter.
List number 4. Zecotech RC Helicopter, Remote Control Helicopter Toy for Kids. The Zecotech RC Helicopter is designed specifically for children, combining safety, fun, and ease of use. Its lightweight design makes it easy to control, and the 3-channel operation allows for forward, backward, and lateral movements. A built-in gyroscope ensures stable flight, reducing crashes and making it suitable for indoor use. durability is emphasized with a reinforced frame that can withstand minor bumps and drops. The USB rechargeable battery allows repeated flights, while the compact size ensures portability and convenient storage. The remote control is intuitive, featuring clearly labeled buttons for beginners and young pilots. Bright LED lights add to the excitement, providing a visually engaging flying experience in dim environments. Overall, the Zecotech RC helicopter is an excellent choice for parents seeking a safe and entertaining RC helicopter for their children. Its balance of affordability, flight stability, and durability makes it a standout option in the kids' RC toy category.
List number 5. The Cyma S107 3-channel RC helicopter with gyro, green. The Cyma S107 3-channel RC helicopter is a trusted model known for reliability and ease of use. Its 3-channel controls enable simple forward, backward, and side-to-side flight, making it suitable for beginners and indoor flying. A built-in gyroscope ensures flight stability and smooth operation, which is essential for new pilots learning the basics. The helicopter's compact size and lightweight alloy frame enhance durability, allowing it to survive minor collisions. Charging is convenient via USB, providing quick turnaround times between flights. The Cyma S107 also features bright LED lights, adding a fun visual element during indoor sessions or low-light environments. Designed for kids and adults alike, this helicopter combines affordability, user-friendly operation, and reliability. It's particularly appealing for hobbyists who want a safe, fun, and straightforward flying experience without investing in complex or high-powered RC models. Overall, the Cyma S107 remains a popular choice for indoor RC helicopter enthusiasts.